Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick in Canva that will instantly improve your design workflow, how to group text and other elements. Whether you're creating presentations, social media posts, or any multi-layered project, mastering grouping will save you tons of time and make your designs look more professional. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly talk about what grouping actually is. Grouping in Canva allows you to combine multiple elements, like text, shapes, and images, into a single unit. This makes it much easier to move, resize, or edit them all at once, while keeping your design neat and organized. It's perfect for maintaining visual cohesion and streamlining complex projects. Selecting elements. To get started, you need to select the elements you want to group. Click and hold your left mouse button, then drag to create a selection box around your text, images, or shapes. You'll see them all highlighted. That's your cue that they're ready to be grouped. Grouping the elements. Once your elements are selected, look at the top right toolbar. You'll find the Group button near options like Position, Animate, and Transparency. Click it, and voila! Your selected elements are now a single unified group. From here, you can move them around, you resize, or even apply animations all at once. Benefits of grouping. Grouping isn't just convenient, it's a game changer. It reduces clutter, keeps your design aligned, and supports animated elements for synchronized effects. Instead of adjusting each piece individually, you can make quick changes to the entire group, saving you time and effort. Editing individual elements, but what if you need to tweak a single element inside the group? Canva makes that easy too. Just double-click the group and you'll temporarily access individual elements for editing. When you click outside the group, everything snaps back into the group mode so your workflow stays smooth and uninterrupted. And that's it. A small but incredibly powerful tool that every Canva user should know. Try grouping in your next project and see how much smoother your design process becomes. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva tricks, and share this video with anyone who loves designing smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.